Wait for it. So I'm gonna start recording on the stupid shit I do in trading. So as you can see, my dumbass is funded. I funded it last week, and then this is how it started. I lost 1-1, and then uh, so I can trade. I just break rules. So let me go over today. The fuck I did today. So yeah, you can see this was today. Let me show you where I went wrong. So yeah, market opens. Okay. Now waiting for setup. Actually, my first setup. Let me show you. It's not part of my trading system, but I took it anyways. Was this inverse? Because I've been watching people take a lot of inverse entries and fucking coining it. But yeah, that's my first entry. What I should have done was wait for it. Go on break even right there. But also, what happened right here was I had my 5 minute entry right here, which also should have been break even trade. And then afterwards, after I went break even right there, I got an entry for Lons, which was the correct entry, which was this. And then go break even as soon as we eventually tap that area of interest. But we actually never did, so you never would have went break even. But also, yeah, if you can see here, we also had a 1 minute setup. I don't know why I'm going over these. Boom. The 1 minute also played out. Look, boom, boom. See. Now I'll show you where my mistake is. This is how it looked. Let me just go to the 1 minute. I'll show you. This is how I traded. Now I was just as soon as it came like around here, I was like, damn, I should be in lawns like right here, but I never did because I had so much. I was hoping the trade would play out because I didn't want to take a small loss and closing the trade. What I what should have happened is like I went long. I should have went long around somewhere here, and then again when we inversed right here, but I never did that shit. Why? Because I was full of emotions. I didn't trade what I saw, I traded what I was feeling. I really wanted to just win. Because my daily target is 200. And as you can see, I mean, I'm not too bad. Like most of my days are green. And then now I'm starting to target 200 from here. I started talking 150 to 200 a day. And then my losers are just getting so big because I add, when I enter a trade, it does go my way, I add more into it, which I should not be doing. So yeah. Nah, I have a high win rate trading system, and what I've often noticed now today is like this like dark area of interest. It's not a good one. This white one like is the best area of interest, but you can still trade off this. This white one is just more high probability. Let me show you. Like later on in the day it happens. I think. See, there we went to go tap that white area of interest, and then there's your inverse, and then you would have won anyways. Like I should just be trading what I see, not what I feel. That's what I should be doing. Now I'm also trying to collect more data on these areas of interest. But like I don't trade like a normal trade. You Like I don't trade breakout or break of structure, or I don't even go higher than the 15 minute, after 5 minute to trade. I I have marked out, start like I just, today was the first time I marked out these higher areas of interest, higher areas of interest, but usually it's just 5 to 3 minute. That's where I look for my areas of interest, and then I trade off those, and it works. Right? I mean, I literally passed my funded account and ah, passed my eval, and now I was in like 500 or 400 in profit, and now I lost it all. Now, what my goal is tomorrow is to do the exact same thing, trade my model, and then let's see how tomorrow ends up playing. Because if you look here, if I go, because I normally just trade in golfing candles, because that would be my entry, but what I've noticed was something even better. See, like I'm still backtesting. Let me see. Like these ones are not even with confluences. It's just areas of interest. Not areas of interest, just entries based off my of the candle that I said that my trading strategy, my entry confirmation. These are with confluences. This is without. So I mean, fuck. So trade right here, and today I should also backtest inverse fair value gaps with my entry model, because as you know, you only get clarity as soon as you know what is a bad trade, what does a good trade looks like, and then I just do not have any data on inverse fair value gaps, which is my own mistake, obviously. But yeah, it sucked. I really wanted today to be a win, but it wasn't. Yeah, I put it in backtesting as wins because that's how I should have traded. Obviously, I just didn't do that at all, which sucks, obviously. But because now my balance is back to $5, and I need to get 1,000. I want to reach a 2K buffer, take out a $500 withdrawal, and then every time I get to, then go to 4K, so I have that 3,000 buffer. But then I can consistently take out 1,000 a month. That's my goal with the funded account, is to reach this 2K buffer, and then take out 500 withdrawal, get it to 4K, and then take out 1K every time I get to 4,000. And now I guess you guys are going to be part of the journey. I'm doing this for myself to help me be more accountable. But you can see I started this on the 27th, and today's the 50th, and I'm break even on my 100 account. So basically, we're starting over. We're gonna start off May fresh tomorrow, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, and be part of my journey. I'll make a video about my trading strategy. Probably never not, because it's my shit, my edge. I don't wanna share it really, but yeah, I'm just disappointed in myself because I've been doing it for 4 years, and now I'm still making mistakes that you would make. But I'm not angry, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. I know what I need to improve on. I have notes. I took a note on my phone. Basis trading. Yeah, you could. I don't know if you will see it, but trade what you see now. What? There you go. Trade what you see, not what you feel. And there you can see all the other stuff. So yeah, this is just gonna be improving myself, improving my trading, and then I'm also never gonna edit these videos. I'm just gonna upload them. Fuck editing. Oh, it's one take. So yeah, hopefully you guys will watch me become a profitable trader. There's any. Hopefully May will be that month. I'll do updates, backtesting sessions, and all of that. But for now, this is where we start. Okay. See you.